Hello guys, today I'm going to explain to you how to solve mole problems under the IGCSE curriculum. But first, we need to find out the definition and the formulas that come with this subpart. Firstly, a mole is the universal unit of measurement in chemistry, that in which we use to find how many grams of a substance leads up to 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd particles. In this first question, we can see that ammonia isn't converted into ammonium sulfate, as there is 360 dm cubed of ammonia gas. Meanwhile, with the common knowledge that 1 mole of gas occupies 24 dm cubed, we can use the formula mass equals volume divided by molar mass to find out that 360 over 24. With a quick calculation, we can figure out that there are 15 moles. To solve this subpart of the question, we need to refer back to the original formula. So over here, we can see that there's a 2 in front of the NH. Meanwhile, over here, there's merely a 1. So this means that this tells us that for every 2 moles of ammonium gas, 1 mole of ammonium sulfate is produced. Hence leading us to the formula 15 over 2. It's equivalent to 7.5 moles. To solve the last part of this question, we need to use the formula that mass is equivalent to moles multiplied by molar mass. So in this case, it's going to be 7.5 our amount of moles multiplied by our molar mass, which in this case is 132. This results in the equation, the answer, 990 grams. Over here, the units were already given, so no need to write it down. For the first part of question 7, we need to use the formula moles is equivalent to mass divided by molar mass. Over here, the numbers were given. So all we need to do is the simple calculation of 1.26 divided by 252, which we will now do with the calculator. Which gives us 5 times 10 to the negative 3, or in other words, 0.005 moles. Once again, we must refer back to the original equation. Over here, we need to find the ratio of N2 to N2. But in this case, it's 1 to 1. As N, and if you're not familiar with this types of brackets, think of it as if it's a bracket being to the power of in math. So N2 on one side, just going to put a little 2 to remember, and N2 here. So the ratio is 1 to 1. Hence our final answer being 0.005 moles. Lastly, the formula required to find and calculate the volume would be moles multiplied by 24 dm cubed, which in this case is 0.005 multiplied by 24, in which giving us 0.12. I've done the calculation previously, hence it being our final answer. And once again, the units are already being provided, so no need to write them down. Thank you.